There are 7 levels in the Tukua Te Reo learning pathway. The levels and the books match the 7 playlists on the YouTube channel. It's really up to you where you start on the pathway. You choose the place, you choose the pace, and you're in charge of your learning. If you're just starting out on the journey, book 1 is a great place to start. In this book, you'll find some handy phrases and conversational language. There's also some information about pronunciation. On each page of the book, at the top of the page, you'll see a YouTube icon with the name of the video to watch for that topic. Book 2 is full of helpful tips and tricks that will help you on your learning journey. Just like with Book 1, there's a video to watch at the top of the page. Book 3 is where we start to look at different types of words and phrases, and Book 4 is where you'll start learning some more simple sentence structures that make up the building blocks of Te Reo Māori. After that, you'll be able to progress through levels 5, 6, and 7. The books are available for download in PDF format at the Tukua Te Reo coffee shop. You can purchase them one at a time, or I've put together some bundles so that you can get the sets and save some money that way. I'll put the link to the shop in the description and in the comment section of this video so that you can have a look. Nei rā te mihi kia koutou. If you have any questions or comments, please get in touch. I'm just a click of a button away. Hei kona.